Hey there! Today I have a Natalie Attired to unbox. If you're not familiar with Natalie Attired, it's another one of those online styling services very similar to Stitch Fix. So with Natalie Attired you get 5 items of clothing. There's a $20 upfront styling fee. If you keep 3 or 4 items you get 20% off, and if you keep all 5 items you actually get 30% off. So actually I do like the way they have their discount structured, because it does give you some options if you don't want to keep everything, so that you can still get a 20% off. So I kind of like that, and that's something I think they started this year, but I haven't actually done a Natalie Attired box for kind of a while. I was looking at this like March, so I decided to order a box, and I'm pretty excited because since I haven't tried Natalie Attired for a while, I'm curious to see what they're gonna send me. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what the box looks like inside. Wow, and here is my bundle of clothing, and it looks very, very nice. A lot of floral, which I love. Okay, with Natalie Attired, you always get a handwritten note, and my stylist is Renee, and I've had her for all of my boxes. And there's just a quick note since it's handwritten. She says, "Hi Tisha, I hope you like the collection I chose for you. Let me know if you need any size adjustments. Enjoy, Renee." And then she says, "P.S. I love watching your videos." Wow, so I didn't realize that she knew about my videos, but did I mention it in my notes? I might have. Okay, so hi Renee. Okay, and you also get, and there's an invoice and a prepaid mailer, and it's USPS to send anything back. Okay, and the first item in my box is a dress. Wow, this is really pretty, and it's by COUTURE, and it's a size medium, and it's $39 only. So yeah, very pretty. It's a crepe polyester. It's lined, and it has its like a tie. It looks like it has a snap in the front to keep it closed. So yeah, this is very pretty, and for only $39? Wow, that seems very good deal. COUTURE. Okay. Next. Oh, another dress, and I do love dresses. Oh, this is nice too, look. Huh. Okay, so this is by the same brand, COUTURE, and it's floral HENLEY neck dress. Also $39, size medium. Well, these are very, very affordable dresses. $39. Wow, pretty. Okay, next, there's a top. Oh, this is cute. And look how it has these buttons in the back. Huh. This is by Renee C, size small, and it's the sleeveless split neck floral top, and it's $39. So this top by Renee C is the same price as those dresses, and it's nice. It does seem like it might be a rayon. Oh no, it's 100% cotton. Interesting. Nice. This is very, very nice, and because it's cotton it'll be cool and breathable. I don't know about if it's going to require ironing, but we'll see. Okay, next. Okay, it's a blouse. This is very pretty. It's so bright. I like it. COUTURE again, size medium. So I got 3 items from COUTURE, and this is the flutter sleeve crepe floral top for $32. So wow, see how it has like these flutter sleeves. It has a little, what is that called? Is that like a keyhole in the front? Here's the front. It's like really cute. Huh, I like that. Okay, and lastly, okay, so these are, it looks like leggings or jeggings. These are by Liverpool, and it's the REESE ankle legging, and it's in black, and these are $79. Okay, so these are very nice. It's just a very nice thick legging, jegging. Yeah, I don't know if I have something similar already, but yeah, these are nice. Nice quality. You know, you can wear these instead of pants, I guess. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Natalie Attired box, and wow, everything looked really great. I mean, I just hope everything looks nice with the try-on, because just pulling them out of the box, everything looked like stuff I would wear. So So I'm excited to try them on, and I was also impressed with the prices. I mean, the most expensive item was the Liverpool leggings for $79, but that's typical price for Liverpool, and I do love Liverpool. I do think they have great quality clothes. So anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first dress. And you know, this is actually really cute. It is kind of short, and also it's a true wrap. I didn't notice that when I pulled it out, but it is really a cute dress. It was kind of low, so I actually just stuck a tank top underneath. Even though it has a snap, it's still kind of low. But it is really nice. I think the fit is just perfect for me, so this is a medium. But yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of worried that it might be too short for me, even though it is really cute. So, okay. Okay, here's dress number 2. And yeah, this is also very pretty. I think the length might be a little better. And it has kind of it's more of a blousey, it has an elasticized waist, but it's very comfortable. And it has kind of a, what is this? A V-neck, yeah? Or Henley. But yeah, I think this is also very cute, and it is fully lined. It's very kind of flowy, I guess. But yeah, I think this is pretty, and for $39, I'm amazed at these prices. And the quality of these dresses are very nice for $39. Okay. And let's try it with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with a denim jacket, and I think that looks very cute. I could also wear, I have a dark wash denim jacket or a white, and I think it would look nice. And same with the wrap dress would have also looked nice with a denim jacket. So yeah, this is very cute. I think I'm probably gonna get this one. It's cute. Okay, so here is the first blouse by Renee C. And also I'm trying on at the same time the leggings from Liverpool. Although I don't think I'd really wear these together, because actually I thought the leggings might be thick enough to wear them as pants, but they're so fitted that you probably want to have something longer with them. But they are really nice, high quality leggings. They are a very thick material. They're very, I think they're slimming. They're very tight, and it has a seam going down the front. But yeah, there are nice quality leggings. These were a 6 petite, and the length, it kind of is a little long for me, but it still looks okay. And the blouse is actually very nice. It's really cool because it's cotton and it's pretty. Just kind of basic, except it has like buttons in the back, so I thought that was cute. Okay, so I actually really do like this blouse. The leggings, I'm not too sure about. I like the way they fit, but I have to go through my closet and see if I have other leggings already. But yeah, these are very nice. Okay, and here's the last top, and this is also by COUTURE. And I like this top. I think it's a very pretty top, and I like the print. It's bright, and it's cute. It has like flutter sleeves. It has this kind of interesting neckline. And yeah, I just paired it. I think this is, you can just wear it with jeans and it look cute. And these are actually my favorite jeans right now, and I got them from Ross, and they're by Sandpiper. And I'm pretty sure they were like $12.99 or something like that. But they are so comfortable. I always wear them. It's the most reached for in my closet. But yeah, I do like this shirt, and I think the price was right. It was $32. That's not bad. And so we'll see. We'll see if I can find at least 3 things. Okay, so I thought this was a really good box this month from Natalie Attired. This might actually be one of my best boxes yet. And I've noticed, you know, just looking at the invoice, the pricing has gotten better. The total for all 5 items, you know, prior to any discounts, is $228 for 5 items. And my last box, and I do keep everything, was $190. So this is under the new pricing where you get 20% off if you buy 3 or 4 and 30% off if you buy all 5. And I think my first one, let's see, this is way back May 2018. The total price was $280, and you only got 20% if you bought all 5. And I think the very next one was like $321. So the pricing does seem to have gotten a lot better, I think, with Natalie Attired, and also with their new discount structure. It's a lot more affordable than it used to be. Because I do remember when I first tried Natalie Attired, I thought it was kind of on the expensive side. And also the discount was only 20% if you bought all 5 versus, you know, with Stitch Fix it's 25. But now their discount is actually better than Stitch Fix, where you get, you know, 30% off potentially if you buy all 5 and 20% if you just buy 3 to 4. I like that. I like, for me, I like the value. But I'm not sure what I'm going to be keeping, just because for me, I do have a lot of clothes already. You know, because I do this YouTube channel and I'm actually trying to declutter. but we'll see. These dresses, I thought both of the dresses were very pretty. And I'm actually considering keeping this, even though it was a little short. This is a wrap dress and it was a wrap. I mean, I'm thinking maybe I could potentially pin it so the skirt won't open. But it's such a pretty dress, and you know, the silhouette was nice, the fit was perfect, and it is lined. So I thought, you know, it's a good quality dress for only $39. And I have the Echo look, and you know, I always stick pictures at the end of each video, and those are all taken with my Echo look. And it seemed like this dress is the winner from the box. So yeah, okay. I also really like this dress. It wasn't as much of a winner according to Echo Look, but I thought it was a really comfortable, easy to wear style, and it paired nicely with a denim jacket, and I like to wear denim jackets. So yeah, I like this one too, and like I said, $39 and it's lined. It's a good deal. Not sure about the leggings. I like these a lot, but I think I already have some leggings, you know, so I probably don't need another pair of leggings. And these are kind of pricey, $79, and that is your typical Liverpool price. But yeah, so these I probably won't keep. Not sure about this top. I thought it was nice, and it has the buttons in the back, and it actually has a little split in the back too. This would actually look really cute with white jeans, I think, or even maybe some light wash jeans, or possibly dark wash, but we'll see. One thing I'm not too sure about is the fabric. You know, it is, although it's 100% cotton, which is a nice breathable fabric, once I wash it, it's probably going to shrink, and it might require ironing. This top I really did like. I love the brightness of it, and yeah, I just think it's a nice cheerful print that would pair nicely with, like I paired it with jeans, but you could also wear it with, I think, white jeans. I would wear it with white jeans, or maybe even colored jeans. I do have red pants. I don't know if that'd be a little bit too much, but we'll see. But yeah, I like this, and this one was $32. Yeah, so that's not a bad price. Okay, so that's all I have for today's Natalie Attired unboxing, and I was very pleased with the items that I got. I'm not sure what I'll be keeping, but we'll see. I do have 3 days to decide, and I just got it yesterday, so I have another day. But anyway, okay, so now I'm going to call one of my 2 sleeping fuzzy companions to help me say goodbye. Which one of you? How about you, Kaya? Kaya, come. Okay, I'm going to get Kaya. Okay, and this is Miss Kaya. She is the friendliest dog. Whenever we go for walks, she has to greet everybody. Yes? You have to say hi. She loves people, she loves dogs, she loves everybody. She even loves cats. The cats just don't like her. Right, Kaya? You try to say hi to cats. They run away. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and hopefully one of these days I'll do an outfit of the day. I know I've been wanting to do one, but it's busy. I'll try. But anyway, if you enjoy watching this kind of videos, please consider subscribing and tapping the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.